A common mistake that people make is making payment arrangements that they cannot afford on a debt that's past due. The first step in making payment arrangements is to look at your budget. Now, if you don't have a budget, your first step is to create a budget and look at what you can realistically afford. Then your next step is to contact the company. I suggest in writing, while sending a certified letter, that states how you would like to pay them, along with the amounts, as well as the dates that you would like for them to, as well as the dates that you want to send your payments. This is important because many people have actually sent money in, over a verbal agreement over the phone with the company, but there's no record of the conversation. So in essence, it becomes your word against the company's. And what happens is you're out of your money and they're still reporting you late every month. So it is important that you send a certified letter with your proposed arrangements, and you want to make sure that you receive a letter or some type of correspondence back to them from them stating that they agree to your terms and conditions. And that way you can move forward with your payment arrangement. If you need assistance or if you have questions about the right way to make payment arrangements, feel free to contact me. Also check out my online credit course at the link below this video. This is Dr. Andrea Johnson, your Doctor of Finance. Have a wonderful day.